tayo.
Ay, alam.
Dissection of Eve.
Pagod ako na. Warm up yun.
Did you even pre-save?
Naka-FB daw. FB din.
Lag.
Sorry na guys.
Ulit lag. Oo.
Ulit?
Kasi ulit lag, para sa lahat na nanonood ngayon dito, kung ako sa inyo, tawagan nyo naman yung kaibigan nyo para manood. Yan lang namin ulit yung gagawin.
Press share and like.
Hindi namin ito i-perform mamaya.
Pero very soon, ipaperform namin siya.
Ano ka ba dito?
Malalaman nyo
version
where.
kasi may wall, tas may
Ah,
stick.
sige. Malalaman nyo guys when and where. 5, 6, 7. Kasi wala akong pake. Woo! Ha! Ha! Hu! Ha! Sabi, sabi, tumabi, tabi, tabi. Ha! 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 Wala akong pake. Ha! Ha! Hu! Ha! 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 Sabi, sabi, tumabi, tabi, tabi. Hu! Wala akong pake.
Kasama talaga yung mga huha.
Yes, that's part of the choreo.
Hintayin nyo sa live namin mag-hum si AJ.
And like,
Ay guys, mamaya magkita-kita tayo sa Hakot Run.
Yes! Manood kayo kami.
Kaya kami naka-green. Green, green, green. Manood ka tumatakbo.
Katama pa siya sa ilaw eh.
yun yung Hakot Run.
What time po ang alin? Yung Pure Gold, mamaya-maya na yan. Kung feeling ko aabot pa kayo. Yung album drop 6 p.m. Yung MV 7 p.m. Abangan yan.
You dancing to the lightning. Da, 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 da. All is right.
Hanggang doon na napapanood ko.
Ako din.
Wala lang next.
Naisip ko na yun. Ayun, tada na tayo.
Chanel.
Oh, Chanel ulit.
Alin?
Chanel.
Okay.
Ay, ganun na lang. Sige.
5, 6, 7,
Put me in Chanel. Put me in Chanel when you say love me. Put me in Chanel. Say love me. Put me in Chanel. Put me in Chanel.
Is it put me in Chanel?
Put me in Chanel.
Put me in Chanel.
Put me in Chanel.
In. Taray. Taray. Nalagay siya sa loob.
You go.
Parang bagay yung Little Miss. Little Miss, sweet.
Ikaw sa
Ano yan?
Aralin natin yan pag may tayo.
Ganun kasi kami mag-bounce test kay AJ.
Ayan.
Okay.
Ganon.
Very good.
Oh my goodness gracious. 28 minutes left. If you haven't already.
Yes.
The dissection of Eve. Okay. First track. Papapalaban.
Yes.
Second track. Luck.
You better get your groove on. Better get your groove on. Better
Get your groove on.
Fourth track.
Super. Ay, hindi pa rin
Ano?
part na yun.
Target.
Locked. Aim it.
Shoo. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it like. Fourth track.
Kung ikaw nga at ako magtatagpo pa sa dulo, pati ko maramdaman, dapat pa ba ito na panghawakan?
Next track.
Fifth.
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 Until when do you think I can? Do you think I can?
Next track. Sixth track.
I hurt the most, I get the most, with or without you. It sucks to know you didn't show the love I need from you. Take it all.
Okay, next track. Seventh.
Eight na.
Ay, 8 na ba?
Oo.
8th track.
Filipina, I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina winner. I'm a Filipina, I'm a Filipina winner. Okay.
Yes, gaya pa guys! May album na kaya!
What time are we pulling out?
Sige. It took us 1,133 days.
Yes. Para magkaroon ng album. So, sana guys, i-pre-save nyo na yung link
Took
kasi
us
lalabas
10
na yan
years.
mamayang 6 p.m. sa
Yes.
music platforms at mamaya MV namin for Lakong Pake 7 p.m. lalabas na rin.
Yes, it took 23 years, 22 years, 21 years for this album.
Yes.
It was forming in the womb.
Opo. So, lahat, magkita-kita rin tayo mamaya sa Pure Gold Run. So, marami pa kami kailangan gawin, guys. Sana abangan nyo yung album. See you.
See you guys!
Pre-save so that you're the first to listen to the album.